This is a 2011 Nissan Maxima. It has a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a sunroof, a low tire pressure indicator, 9 strategically placed speakers, big 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a CD player, a leather-wrapped shift knob, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a security system, dusk sensing headlights, front and rear reading lights, and this vehicle has fewer than 19,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Bondi's Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 3615 Ross Clark Circle in Dothan.